Hey there, it's Todd, and let's talk about basic sound for video. Now, understand, sound is just as important as the video that you're shooting. It's well known that audiences will tolerate bad video with good sound more so than they will good video with bad sound. You gotta hear what people are saying, so let's talk about microphones. So your first microphone is going to be the one that's built into your camera. Not surprisingly, that microphone is not the best option. But if it's your only option, you're going to want to get your subject as close as possible to that microphone so that it can pick it up properly. Another thing to keep in mind about your built-in microphone is that not only is it poor quality, it also picks up the internal sounds of your camera, like when your camera's finding focus. Not the best option. A better option for sound would be an external microphone, such as a little shotgun microphone that you put on top of your camera. In addition to this being a better quality microphone than the one built into your camera, you can also take it off of your camera and put it closer to your subject without having to move your camera. Another option would be a lavalier microphone, similar to what I have on here. Now you can put a lavalier on your clothes or you can hide it underneath. But the good thing about this microphone is that it actually moves with your subject. You don't need to be facing the camera or a specific microphone because the microphone is on your subject. Now, regardless of your microphone choice, you're going to want to make sure that your audio is not too soft or too loud. So you're going to want to check your camera's audio levels. On average, you're going to want to make sure your audio is falling about 2/3 up the meter, or technically 6 and 12 decibels below the top of that meter. And that way you'll have acceptable sound, even if your subject gets softer or louder. Now, I know I always say that rules are meant to be broken, but in this case, sound is really important to video. You're going to want to make sure that you have a decent microphone, you're going to want to make sure that microphone is close to your subject, and you're going to want to make sure that your camera's audio levels are set properly. And with that being said, if you want to learn more in-depth information about this subject or just shooting video in general, check out the Front Nose Photo Guide to Shooting Video. I teamed up with Jared Poland from Front Nose Photo to create over 6 hours of educational video about everything shooting video. And the best part is that once we show you all the ins and outs on how to shoot video, we take you on 4 real-world video shoots and show you how to shoot a music video, a commercial, a short film, and even a YouTube video. If that sounds like something you might be interested in, go check it out at frontnosephoto.com/video and check it out for yourself. And you can take advantage of an exclusive discount just for you.